The $TEX TBF Serenity Tiny House on Wheels dollar represents a monumental achievement in compact architectural innovation, widely celebrated as perhaps the most ingenious mobile dwelling ever created. This masterful creation from modern tiny living MTL brilliantly showcases the successful fusion of $TEX TBF intelligent design, bespoke opulence, and a steadfast dedication to delivering comprehensive living within a limited footprint. Particularly in its tailored custom configuration, the Serenity model actively $TEX TBF reimagines the physical and functional limits of what a genuinely portable home can offer, moving well past the constraints of mere rudimentary shelter. This structure elevates the humble tiny house into what enthusiastically observers have rightly christened a $TEX TBF wheeled estate or mobile mansion expertly combining premium amenities with an astonishingly $TEX TBF efficient spatial arrangement that manages to feel counterintuitively vast and exquisitely refined. Fundamentally, this spectacular dwelling powerfully asserts that the intentional choice to $TEX TBF downsize one's physical residence Certainly, $TEX TBF does not necessitate a compromise on day-to-day comfort, aesthetic appeal, or crucial domestic capabilities. The core of the Serenity's appeal lies in its $TEX TBF groundbreaking floor plan and the extraordinary degree of available $TEX TBF customization features that collectively $TEX TBF dramatically improve the quality and ease of long-term habitation. Constructed atop a $TEX TBF robust, specially engineered trailer foundation the custom version of this tiny home stretches out to an impressive TEX TBF 28 feet in length providing enough square footage to comfortably integrate a complete spectrum of residential luxuries, effectively establishing it as a true TEX TBF move-in ready permanent residence A primary distinguishing characteristic is the unique TEX TBF elevated social lounge area thoughtfully appointed with plush, tailored cushions, and a series of integrated pull-out storage drawers beneath, which successfully forges a TEX TBF snug, multi-purpose living space distinct from the main floor. Furthermore, to cleverly capitalize on the ceiling height, the design includes a spacious TEX TBF king-sized sleeping loft offering a sumptuous primary bedroom suite overhead. Crucially, the true mark of engineering brilliance is the TEX TBF dedicated, custom fabricated rear office complete with built-in shelving and a sleek concrete work surface. A space made even more functional by its TEX TBF separate exterior access point This exceptional degree of TEX TBF spatial partitioning and purpose-specific zoning remains a rare and invaluable asset in the tiny house community, providing an TEX TBF uncluttered and private environment for remote professionals that is perfectly isolated from the home's primary leisure zones. The overall TEX TBF sense of luxury and permanence within the Serenity is powerfully enhanced by the careful selection of TEX TBF interior finishes and integrated domestic technology. The stylistic direction expertly marries a TEX TBF clean, modern aesthetic with rustic farmhouse elements featuring walls lined with elegant TEX TBF poplar tongue and groove paneling floors finished in durable TEX TBF luxury vinyl tile LVT and cohesive accents of sleek TEX TBF farmhouse matte black hardware throughout the space. The kitchen is designed to satisfy even the most discerning chef, highlighted by $TEX TBF fully customized cabinetry, hard-wearing concrete countertops and a striking $TEX TBF 30-inch black farmhouse basin. Its functionality is ensured with $TEX TBF full-sized appliances, including a large refrigerator and a versatile convection oven paired with a 2-burner induction cooktop. Beyond the visible elements, the dwelling's TEX TBF commitment to four-season quality is manifest in its robust infrastructure. TEX TBF closed-cell spray foam insulation is used extensively to guarantee superior thermal performance and year-round energy efficiency. While a powerful TEX TBF ductless mini-split system effortlessly maintains optimal internal temperatures for both heating and cooling. Even the typically challenging bathroom space is elevated, housing a TEX TBF custom-tiled shower enclosure with a glass partition and often featuring a high-tech TextFef Insinola incinerating toilet.